And the Samskan is working for the blinds and orphans, those are in underprivileged. For all of them, we are providing education. We are providing computer training program for the visually challenged persons. And we are providing education for the needies. And moreover, in all the way, our Manodaya Samsthan is working.
Wholeheartedly say, I did not expect so talented you are, so God-given, gifted you are. So really, what do you say, children? Super. With one word we can tell, it's really super. May God bless you really with more and more